Getting a little practice in today with no other than my favorite baby in the world, the Glock 19 Gen 3 baby. Yeah, we're gonna go run some through my baby girl. This is an ETS mag. People say these are crap. I mean, I just bought it for range purposes. This thing has been fine. It's about 3 years old. And this one here is a KCI mag. It's a Korean Glock mag. I had this since like 2010. This thing is fine, perfectly fine. And then got some regular Glock mags here. Gonna go have some fun with my baby, Glock 19 Gen 3.